Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, friends. Internally we always keep trying to find a definition for this word financial inclusion. Since we are not a bank and we have different sets of challenges. And what we believe though is, financial inclusion is all about reaching credit to that deeper pocket at an affordable price. And the word affordable has to be affordable to both borrower and lender. And not just be on the loan side, but also offer investment products if they have surplus. And one of the biggest challenges that we found while trying to do this is we just don't know what is rural. We just keep using this word all the time internally to say, rural market. And then we start moving away from the real rural market in order to escape some fear of loss and move away from where really the rural is. I think the other thing also is about, do we have the right products to be able to give to these people there? We just want to go and give what we have. But I somehow think that this population needs products to be designed that suits their cash flows and their challenges. Let me give one very small example and which we are facing live today. We started off as a tractor finance company, went into big auto, tractor, all kinds of products. Finally, we are now also in financing three-wheelers. Large number. Livelihood product because they all earn from these products. So there's huge attraction to get credit to buy such products. But the truth of the matter is that you and I sit in that three-wheeler and give them a 5 rupee and a 10 rupee coin or a 2 rupee coin. Now he comes and repays installments to me of 3,000, 4,000 rupees. 50% of it is in coins. Now how do I handle this coin? I go with this small bundle to a banker and banker says, sorry, I have no means to handle this coins. No, where are we? Bank accounts will be there. We will reach bank accounts to that place. We will provide a livelihood product to that customer. He is earning out of that product. He has to repay me my money. No, I am stuck with that money and it is all costing me every day. Unless I am able to transfer this money out from there into my central system and start using it again. Now another way to do it is to allow my branch to start disbursing locally and he starts giving loans in coins. Is that the solution? I am not sure. And then it comes along with everything else, whether it's an administrative cost, whether it's the control issues, audit issues, all kinds of issues come up. So I personally think definitely financial inclusion is an absolute necessity, but it's also a necessity that we design product and services and infrastructure that actually takes care of the customer needs first rather than the implementer's needs first. I always have this fear that we as implementers want to make sure that we are at the right end and we do everything, all designs, all processes, everything that suits us most rather than what the customer really is looking for. And may not be a right example, but if you were to really look at moneylender as a financial inclusion entity, other than the cost at which he is doing the business, I think we need to institutionalize everything else that he does. He is locally present, he understands the challenges of customers, he is available 24 hours a day, he is able to give him money to the customer on the basis of his need. He is able to take back in the frequency the cash flow that suits the customer. He is willing to accept any currency out there. His cost is unacceptable. So if you bring in the element of affordability and institutionalize the process of customer handling and then put it on a platform the way it can be handled, I would really think that's financial inclusion. And for an industry that we are in where we lend 2,000 crore, almost everything in rural market and collect same amount, we would be very, very glad, sir, that if these instruments are implemented, because it would really make the whole system more authentic, it will make it more institutionalized, and I think it will bring about control, bring down the cost, and will still leave viability for everybody else out there. So I think I am for it, but we need to redesign, look at the implementation process a little more closely. Thank you, that was my comments.